Oh, whoa. Where are we? Guys, I think this is it. This is the center of the earth. And I might say the volcano you see there is the heart of the earth, but it's shaking a bit, and I worry it might erupt. The reason we are here is to ensure it doesn't. So let's do that by completing the last challenge. Remember, this time we are choosing between present simple and present continuous forms. All point present situations, and each one has a different form and usage. The present simple, we need the verbs in infinitive and s or es after the verb if the subjects are he, she, or it, right? But what happens with the present continuous? We need the form of the verb to be, such as am, is, or are, and the verb ending in ing. Let's read the final text. And this time, we don't have options. We need to find the mistakes. Okay, here it is. They standing up. Oh, wait, we can't say that. If we have ing, we need the to be form in front. But as it's not here, the only thing that makes sense is to say they stand up. They stand up and realize that there's a volcano about to erupt. Alex is feeling scared. This is okay. And his uncle, the professor, calmed him down. Wait a second. Look at that verb, it's lighting up. I think that something's wrong there. The professor calmed him down. We need an S. We need the S. We need the S. The professor calms him down. Yes, great. They checking the temperature of the ground. Yes. Ah, no. Wait, yeah. I know. Sorry. They checking the, no, that is not okay. They check the temperature. We don't have the to be form in front. So that is for sure present simple. They check the temperature of the ground. Okay. The professor is inject some magical potion into the ground? Let's pay attention. The professor is inject or the professor is injecting? Is injecting, right? Some magical potion into the ground. Yes. And Alex is looking at the thermometer. All right. This is okay. He's looking. Yes, he is looking. One more sentence. The temperature lowered down. Wait, hold on. I'm not sure about this. The temperature lowered down or the temperature lowers down? The temperature is a concept like it. Yes, it lowers. Yeah, we need the S for sure. It lowers down. Yes! We stopped the eruption! Great! Thanks God! And now, guys, we can go back home. Ready? Let's do it!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural. La mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
All right, let's keep working with the present simple and the present continuous. Today we have this extra activity, and here we have two options. We must choose the right one, all right? So let's start reading. She, a girl, usually, like very, very frequently, is playing volleyball, or she usually plays volleyball. I think that usually is the hint. Usually means very frequently. Very, very frequently. And remember that present simple is the form, the tense we use to talk about frequent situations. So she usually plays volleyball, okay? But today, Today, just today, an exception. Today, now, she is playing tennis or she plays tennis. Today is an exception, so today she is playing tennis, all right? That will be the first, those would be the first answers. She usually plays volleyball, but today she's playing tennis. Number 2, they often go to the beach or they often are going to the beach. We have often, and often is very frequently. It's like a fact, like a habit. They often go very, very regularly. They often go to the beach. But this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, this coming Saturday and Sunday, they are going to the mountains, okay? They are not doing it right now, but they are going to do it for sure in a short future. So they are going to the mountains, okay? Because it's this weekend, happening very, very soon. Now let's go for the number 3. He usually watches cartoons or he usually is watching cartoons. Usually is very frequently. It's like the 85% of the time. And that is kind of a habit, right? It's a habit. So he usually watches cartoons. But right now, at this moment, he is watching a documentary, all right? Then let's go for the number 4. We often, often is 85% of the time, habit. We often visit. We often. If we have often and usually, it always is present simple, okay? Often visit grandma. But today, now, we are visiting our cousins, okay? Are visiting right now, today, at this very recent moment, our cousins, okay? And the number 5, she always is a habit, is 100. Always is 100% of the time. So that is present simple. She always eats. With always eats cereals for breakfast. But this morning she is eating pancakes. She is eating pancakes. Well done! And now we have these beautiful pictures in here that you can draw the way you want, okay? You can draw using markers and colors. I don't care. Up to you. Yes. Well done. Super. And then we can do the same with the rackets. Yes, I'm going to paint this beautiful racket with orange. But see that the colors are totally up to you. If you want to paint them blue, green, yellow, like you can decorate and paint with spots. Everything is totally up to you, okay? And the same with the eyes. I'm going to paint them blue. Yes. And the eyebrows using this pencil I have next to me. Like gray. And the same with the grandma. I'm going to paint her hair with this gray pencil that I use very often for drawing. Yay! Love it! Very nice. And then again, I'll go for the pink for his jumper. But see that you can paint the way you want, kids, okay? And I don't have enough colors for the mountains, but go ahead. All yours. Goodbye.